So by default, you can see that the language of AnyDesk is English in my case. But if you want to go ahead and change around the language of application, you can simply go around over here onto the hamburger icon and then click on settings. And over here, you can see that language is set to auto select because it takes the reference from the system. But if you want to go ahead and change it out, you can simply go ahead and change another language as you like, click on restart AnyDesk, and then you simply have AnyDesk in new language now, as you can see just like this. You can simply go around onto the hamburger icon, and if you don't understand the language, you can simply go around to the wrench icon right here, go around over here in first, and in first section right here, you can go ahead and choose the language that you want. And simply go ahead and click on to AnyDesk right here, and then it will be updated in this particular language, as you can see just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and set out AnyDesk language as necessary, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.